Hello guys, so today we are unboxing a smartwatch. So today this is a smartwatch from China. So today we will be doing the unboxing. Actually the unboxing is done. So let's take out the watch and see what's inside. Keep the watch aside and we will see what's inside. So So it is a styrofoam thing, and this is a paper, and we get a micro USB to USB type A cable and a user manual written in Chinese. So it is the user manual and it is written in Hindi. It is written in English and Chinese. So, and we also get a micro USB to USB type A cable for charging as well as for data transfer. So now let's keep everything aside and check out the watch. So let me keep this to the side. So now let's look at the watch itself. So this is the watch itself, and let me remove the plastic. So this is by looking and touching it at the first time, the band quality is very nice. And let's boot the watch. So now let's boot the watch, and it is not supporting the Android Wear by Google. So the boot logo or the boot animation was very low. So it is having a SIM card slot which supports 3G SIM card and a dedicated micro SD card slot which supports 64 GB, up to 64 GB external card. It has a 1 gigabytes of internal storage. It has a 1000 milliamp hour battery, and the front camera is of 2 megapixels. It is a multi-touch display, and the CPU is 1.2 gigahertz clocked at, and the processor is MediaTek 6080, and it has several features like pedometer, sedentary reminder, alarm, heart rate sensor, etc. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and to hit a like button and comment down in the description below, and I will give the best buy link for this watch in the description area. Thank you guys.